Hey, what's up coin hunters, and welcome to a £5 in 2 pences. Right, so all we're looking for in here is to see if any territories have sneaked their way through, and hopefully it's a territory that we've not already got in the book. We're also looking for the 20, 18 and 19 if we can. Not sure if the 18 or the 19 are even going to be out into circulation, but it'd be cool if we found one. So what's that date there? That's a 71. I know I need 73, 74, but doubt I'll get them ones in the 70s. I think they were sets only anyway, but if I do get one, they're going to be separated from a set. So just go, ooh, what happened to that 80? It's a bit bent. Right, so I hope everyone is doing good and you're all finding cool stuff in your change. I've kind of found a few bits and pieces, but nothing rare or anything that I needed. So I've just spent them back. Still haven't got any of the 10 pences in my change. 2011. Do I have a 2011? Let's have a look. I know there's like a couple that I'm missing down the back here. Yeah, it's 2013 I'm missing. So I need to keep an eye out for a 2013. Let's put that back. I don't know which one I'm looking for now. So I'm looking for a Shield 2013 as well. Let's flip these all over. Make sure you always flip your coins over, so obviously some territories have a very similar look to them when it comes to Queen Portrait side than mainland Britain. It's always a good idea to flip them and see what you have, because you might miss out on something that you need for your collection. Alright, come on, let's see. I don't know how many times I'm going to say let's see. I thought there was something there then. That's a nice shiny one, that's a 94. I seem to find 94s quite shiny all the time. I think we've probably replaced it about 3 times in total when it comes to 2 pence hunts. Where are you going? There you go. Yeah, I think there's been so many. That's 2011. That one's chewed up. I don't even know if that's going to be accepted when I take it to the bank to put in the machine. Hopefully it will. What year is that? 95. Right. So far no territories or no super shinies, and say that, and then there's a super shiny there. It's a 2005 though. I think we've already got a decent 2005. Let's see, a 94 for some reason. Let's see, 94, nice one, but not good enough to go in the book. They tend to be the 75, 2, 3, 4. Now we need 72, 3, 4 to go in the book. So, nope. It's unusual. Normally you get at least 1 or 2 territories by now when it comes to the amount of coins there is. So, nope. Nothing there. If we do find one, I wonder what it will be. There's a nice 2004 there. I wonder what it would be. So when I was in Dorset recently, you should have seen the change machine when it comes to the 2 pences. It was stacked. This arcade I went to, they had a 10 pence penny pusher. You can call it a penny pusher, and a 2 pence one. Or not one but a few, and both of the change machines were just to the brim. They had like little windows across the top, and they were literally to the brim full. I don't even know how many 2 pences, 10 pences were in there. And if I had time, and if there was a bank within stone's throw away, I would have literally just emptied all of them over the few days I was there. I was actually thinking of going to, I think it's Southend, there's a Metro Bank there, so I might actually go to Southend and do like a penny push hunt and see what we can find in the penny pusher machines. Because I know when I was in Cornwall, the guy actually let me take coins that I saw from the penny pusher. What years are they? 70? Is that a 3 or an 8? Oh, that's an 8. And that one's another 8. But yeah, when I was in Cornwall, I saw a few cool ones in the actual machines. The guy actually let me open it. Well, he opened it. And then I managed to get myself some new coins. It was nice of him, to be honest. I did offer to throw in 2 for every one I took, but he was cool with it. I think it's because we were in there every day playing. He didn't mind me taking a couple out of the machine. That was actually pretty cool. And the first night I saw the one with the bird, there's a 2 pence with a bird on it. Can't remember where it's from. I saw one of them and I spent probably about a £5 trying to get it. And then my wife mentioned to me, oh, why don't you just ask the man? So I did, and he was like, yeah, cool. So I was like, cool. And then every day I would go in if I saw something. He would actually ask me, tell me if I see something, let him know. And he would open it for me. So I was like scouring all the 2 pence penny pushers. Nice 2017 there, but nothing else. So we didn't get nothing shiny for the book, and no territory coins, which is odd really, but that's the way it goes. So guys, thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch my video. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button to become a member of the UK Coin Hunter family. And everyone else, thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate it 100,000,000%, and I will see you in the next one. So take care guys, and happy coin hunting. Empty handed, just a bit of dirt. Goodbye.